we need to map the symbols between the bridge and MT5 server. This side actually is not like the final one. The last part of the mapping is actually done also on the MetaTrader side. This is done on the our gateway part or on the client side. If it's like fixed clients, they need to do this mapping themselves. But the MT5 settings also our support team does. So basically there are, I would say, 3 parts for the mapping to to have this chain. But we will just finalize here on the hub. So we go into the price channels. The price channel, this is the mapping table basically. So we can just call it test price channel. And we select here the created taker, which is our MT5 server. And we just create this price channel. And we have here rules. By the way, on the UI part, there can be cards, or you can switch, to the table as a list. So if it's more convenient. So we go into the price channel, and we also see this kind of a table where we add the line and choose again the already chosen, created symbol for Euro USD. And now we need to enter the symbol name. Here we can do the naming and create them ourselves. Also, in contrast to the maker side, where LP gave you the symbol name on their side, since the bridge works now as LP to the MT5, you can decide yourself what is the symbol name you can do. You can use it with a slash, you can use it with some suffixes, but then it means that on the MT5 side or fixed client side, they need to subscribe to these exact names. For simplicity, it's just better to keep the naming through all the chain, so it won't be that confusing. So we will also just keep Euro USD. And on this side, you already can choose where to put markups. So you can use either points or percent. You just click it like this. And you can also choose spreads. So you can either use fixed values, also points or percent, or range. On the bridge side, you can configure this and you can put percentage. And also there are some depth levels, so the ones that you pass, but let's leave it for now. So we just click save. So now what we have the symbol sticking. And let me check, it's possible to switch the view. So here you can see the view in the bridge. So the core view, it means that all the symbols that are ticking inside the bridge. But if you switch to the taker view, you can choose the taker. So you can enter as if they are logging in. It's also needed for basically, connections when you have some clients like other brokers with their own MetaTraders or these fixed clients, and they connect to you and they ask you login details